Karakoram Highway, Silk Route, B/W Pak, and China was completed on June 18, 1978. Jamrud Fort, Peshawar, was built by General Hari Singh Nalway in 1836. Landi Kani is the end of the main line of railway system of Pakistan. Kolistan Desert is in Bahawalpur district. Harpa is in Sahiwal. Bamhor is in Thatta. Ferdowsi, the Persian poet, Shahnama, was the member of Sultan Mahmud's court. Tomb of Baba Farid is in Pak Patan. Tomb of Sachal is in Ranipur. Nishtar Hospital is the largest hospital in Pakistan and was built in 1953. means an Hijri, Latin term, equals 13 th sep, 622 AD. Nanga Parbat is situated in Himalayan. Total arable land of Pakistan is 27%. Pakistan is situated at the west end of the Indo-Gangetic. Wakhan separates Pakistan from Tajikistan. Hindu Kush range is also known as Little Pamirs. Subhimalaya is also known as Siwaliks. The Sindh-Sagar Dub is also known as Thal Desert. Takht-i Suleiman is the highest peak of Suleiman Mountains. The length of Indus River is 2,900 km. 6 barrages are constructed on the river Industry. Hispar Glacis is located in Hunza. The famous Umar Khat Fort was built in 1746. Kach and Gawadar are the districts of Makran Division. Punjagor is the district of Makran Division. Meaning of Quetta is fort. Gomal River is in NWFP. The total length of coastline of Pakistan is 1046. Ceasefire line came into existence in 1949. Pakistan can be divided into 6 natural regions. Oldest place in Pakistan is Sakardu. Most of the hosiery industry is located in Karachi. The heavy mechanical complex was established with the help of China at Taxila. The first census in the subcontinent took place in the year 1901. Wheat is the major kharif crop of Pakistan. Kotli is the city of Azad Kashmir. The SOS village built in Faisalabad. Pakistan celebrated Quds year in 2001. Pakistani cricketer Saeed Anwar declared to join Afghan Jihad. Maulana Shibli wrote books on Islamic history. The first translation of the Holy Quran was in Sindhi. Qutab Minar is in Delhi. Kolistan Desert is in Bahawalpur. Pakistan can be divided per climate into 4 regions. Hashim Shah wrote Sassi Punnu. The British Communal Award was announced in 1932. Land between 2 rivers is called Du, Abba. Shah Jahan constructed Jamia Masjid Thatta. Sindh River flows from Bolan River. Kohat is the oldest cantonment of Pakistan. Muslims were interested in the art of calligraphy. The length of Durand Line is 2,240 km. The length of Pakistan's common border with Iran is 805 km. Chinese province adjoining Pakistan is Xinjiang. Jinnah Barrage is originated on the river Sindh. The height of Tarbala Dam is 500 feet. Wa city of Pakistan is linked with cement, arms, and ammunition industry. Sucker Barrage is completed in 1932. Kanpur Dam is near Islamabad. Simli Lake is near Islamabad. Per Dam irrigates Adak and Abbot. Sassi was born in Budawahan. Baba Farid Shaker Gunjay died at Pak Patan in 1265. Nishtar Hospital is the largest hospital in Pakistan. Sahiwal is the new name of Montgomery. Noormahal is located at Bahawalpur. The founder of Suharwardi Silsila in Pakistan is Runi Alam. Baheshti Darwaza is located in Pak Patan. The tomb of Anarkali is situated in at Lahore. Shah Jahan built Shalimar Garden. Hazrat Data Gunjay Baksh came in Lahore in 1039 AD from the city of Ghazni. Minar-e Pakistan is also called Minto Park. Data Gunjay Baksh is the author of Kashful Mahjub. Badshah-e Mosque was built in 1674. The construction of Islamabad began in 1952. Sher Shah built GT Road. Imperial Highway is the old name of GT Road. Karakoram Highway passes through 3 ranges. Nanga Parbat is commonly known as Killer Mountain. Karakoram Highway was completed in 1978. Karakoram was completed in the total period of 20 years. The word Karakoram means crumbling rock. Karakoram is a Turkish word. Karakoram Highway passes through Kunjairab Pass. Punil is said to be the place where heaven and earth meet. Siachen Glacier is located near Astor. Hunza is called Real Shangri-La. Khyber Pass connects Gilgit with Chitral. Totally Punjab has 8 divisions. The contribution of forestry to the agriculture sector is 0.4%.